Yo, what is good, YouTube and friends? You're here chilling with the real Satoshi Aoki back at ya for the weekly Crypto.com video. Today's video, folks, we're going to be covering a lot of cool news that has been going on with Crypto.com. Folks, if you're returning, then welcome back. Thank you for your loyalty and for being here. And if you are new, folks, if you're interested in CRO, the Cronos ecosystem, then this is the #1 place to find the most authentic information about CRO, whether you're an investor or thinking about getting involved. With all of that being said, though, please do remember to do your own research because these videos are never financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. And for your own viewing convenience, folks, there will always be timestamps down below so you can fast forward for your own viewing convenience. At the time of making this video, CRO makes up under less than 10% of my overall cryptocurrency portfolio, and I do also hold some Crypto.com NFTs. Alrighty folks, we're going to start off by having a bit of a look at the overall markets. We're going to follow that up with looking at CRO specifically, follow that up with a bit of TA that's going to be pretty interesting as well. Some really cool information and news regarding Crypto.com and some bits and pieces with some research and insights around NFTs and DeFi. Before we do jump right into that though, folks, please just take a moment to hear from the sponsor of today's video that makes these videos possible, Margex Exchange. The cryptocurrency markets can be extremely unpredictable. As we see for BTC, we're down 48.8% for the last year. Utilizing Margex though, you can easily open short and long positions, making money over the long term. Using Margex, you can use up to 100x leverage with absolutely no KYC requirement. With the MP Shield system, you're also protected from illiquidity and price manipulation as a trader. Folks, if you do want to get signed up for Margex, there will be a referral link at the very top of the description of this video, and it's as simple as going to the wallet section and entering the promo code Satoshi100. By doing this, you can also get $100 free to use to trade with. If we actually head on over to the top left and look at the trading terminal by hitting switch, you can actually see the actual currencies here, which you can actually use to trade with, as well as their available balances as we scroll down. And if we have a look at the leverage section here, folks, remember you can actually use that $100 to try out that leverage. But do remember, leverage trading does come with extreme risk, so always do your own research before doing short or long positions. And also, there are never any hidden fees when using Margex. There's also a really simple way to use cross margin. So for example, if we click onto 100x, it's as simple as literally going down to the bottom below 5x and just hitting cross margin before opening a position. The low trading fees on Margex are what make it extremely attractive for me as a user, and it's why I've been using it for my shorter and longer term trades for a while now. When using Margex to deposit funds, you've actually got a large range of actual cryptocurrencies which you can actually use when you click the deposit section here. Big names such as Polygon, DAI, USDT, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, of course. So again, folks, if you do want to get signed up, it's really easy to do it. Just go to the use promo code section in the wallet section and enter in Satoshi100. What's really cool as well, folks, if you do get signed up with the link today, then you actually get $100 worth to your actual airdrop balance. This balance will expire after 2 weeks and is of course available for this 2-week period. It will be available only as collateral and you will not be able to actually transfer it to your Margex wallet. Alrighty folks, so looking at the last week for BTC, we're down 12.7% guys, so quite down, 19.4% for Ethereum sitting at 1,561, BTC at 21,202. If we look at something more positive though guys, the weekly gainers, we got EOS up at 15.6% up, Chili's up 8.3% and Chain XCN up 1.8%. Then we got Celsius Network after a massive pump last week down. This is precisely why I didn't buy in guys, because I just thought it was a fake out. Down 49.4%, definitely a bit of manipulation going on there. Then we've got Lido DAO following that with 28.6% down, and then Near Protocol down 28.5%. As for CRO specifically, guys, we are at rank 25, so just holding in that top sort of 30 at the moment, at around 12%, guys, down 2.3% for the last 24 hours. And if we actually just take a look now, guys, we were officially down 20% for the last year, 5.4 for the last 30 days, 15.4 for the last 2 weeks, 18.9 as the cryptocurrency markets have been really suffering over the last 7 days. Now, if we just head into some longer term technical analysis on TradingView from a pro trader, Troxip, he actually lays out some actual trading targets that you can actually aim for, guys. So essentially, do remember, it's not financial advice, of course, but he's suggesting to buy anything below 10 cents, and then he's setting out 3 targets, guys. The first target is 57 to 65 cents, second sell target is to $2 to $2.50, and the third target will be $5.50 to $6.50. So I do think that that first target from 57 cents to 65 cents could possibly possibly be a good little area to sell. Essentially, guys, that's pretty much a 5 to 6x if you're buying at around these levels, 12 cents at the moment. If you are buying even now or below 10 cents, then you can make good little profit on that, on a project that, you know, is mustering up some really good foundational support. And, you know, I think it's really going places in the near future. And we've got some hiring news from the Crypto.com blog, guys. Crypto.com appoints Chin Ta-Ang as a general manager in Singapore. He's going to be responsible for innovation and responsibility around the digital asset hub at the Singapore headquarters. Ang brings a wealth of strategic business development experience in the technology sector and a deep understanding of the Singapore market landscape. And some pretty cool news for Crypto.com out of UK, guys. As you will know, UK is pretty strict on cryptocurrency for the time being, but what's going on here? As defined by the FCA, crypto asset activity includes anything that involves exchanging one crypto for another or exchanging crypto for fiat and vice versa. Digital asset exchange Crypto.com has just been given the green light for certain crypto asset activities in the UK after receiving registration confirmation from the FCA, aka Financial Conduct Authority, on Tuesday. Now, something that I actually find really interesting here from the Research Wizard report, guys, what are fractionalized NFTs? So this is all free education, guys, that you can find here. This is from August 22nd, 2022. So essentially, folks, if you can't afford a loaded line, one of them, for example, perhaps an owner of a loaded line for around sort of 3 to 4 grand, say, can actually put that up to allow maybe, let's say, 100 people to invest in that. So 100 people get equal share. That one loaded line gets divided by 100. Okay, the NFT is fractionalized in that sense, and people can basically invest in just part of that particular NFT rather than actually purchasing the whole thing. So it's a good way to manage risk and also to diversify your portfolio, and is definitely a technology that is really important for NFTs overall going forward. And some news surrounding Ethereum, guys. This week's Market Pulse is out, bringing you insights on the market sentiment, turning points, fund flows, derivatives, and upcoming catalysts. ETH Options skew rises as traders bid up puts with the merge closing in. And folks, some more NFT information regarding Rarity, guys. Really cool to see here. Do you ever wonder how your NFTs rank in Rarity? Crypto.com NFT is integrated with Rarity Sniper and expanded its Rarity sorting and scoring to NFTs on Ethereum, Polygon, and Cronos. And for the weekly NFT GameFi update, folks, Crypto.com partners with Cronos-based marketplace Minted Network. OpenSea is changing its stolen NFT policy. Really important that they do that, because that's absolutely screwed at the moment. And Axie Infinity has surpassed a US worth of $4 billion in all-time sales. That is pretty insane. Alrighty, folks, so let me know what you thought about today's video, about all of the stories. Let me know if you got any comments, questions. Leave them in the comments below. If you like the video, like the video as well, guys. And make sure, if you're not following me already, to find out about recent news and sort of things about NFTs, metaverse, blockchain, gaming, and of course, Cronos, head on over to my official Twitter at Satoshi Aoki7 and give me a little shout out there, and I will get back to you. So wherever you're watching from in the world, folks, have a great one. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.